Hi, hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jalene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I have something I'm super excited about. I've been waiting to do this. I had said at the end of last year that my goal this year was to stock up on a certain brand so I could do a look, and look at what I got. So yes, I have almost, I think, a complete look with Charlotte Tilbury. So I'm gonna start with that, and so let's get going. Okay friends, so I have picked up a couple things from Charlotte Tilbury. I also have gotten things in other areas. So I'm going to start with the foundation. That's the first thing I got that I used, and I actually put the foundation on. I got this from Ipsy. I actually got it as an add-on, but they had it in, was it 2 months ago? They had it in the, was it February box? Anyway, so there's that. It might have been the March box. Anyway, so that's the first thing. I put that on, and then I was able to pick up from Sephora on the Sephora sale, which I haven't filmed that video yet, but I went ahead and picked up the Airbrush Finish Flawless powder. This right here, and let's see. So there we go. So I'm going to take a little bit of this and just put some of that on my face. Okay, so there's 2 items down, and the next item I'm going to use is the bronzer. And the bronzer, actually, I got a big nice bronzer in the Allure beauty box, which I'm going to film next, but I had to get this out for this video. But this bronzer is beautiful. It's not really a powder. It's kind of a creamy bronzer. So there it is. So I'm just going to use my finger and put it on. Look right around my nose. I had thought of getting a powder bronzer to go with it, but with bronzers I don't always use two. Most of my other products like blush and highlighter, I like to use like a cream and a powder. Let's see here. It didn't give me the bronzer, but I had a really bronzer, and then I came in and just a little bit more on. Okay, so that's for bronzer. I'm going to go ahead and pull my hair back and hope it looks cute when I'm done. But anyway. Okay, so let's go to blush. Now for blush, also from Sephora, the Sephora sale. I just barely got this stuff today. I got the blush stick, and I also got a little blush kind of highlighter palette here. So I'm going to go ahead, and I've never used this before, but we're going to do it. Okay. I'm going to use this blush powder whip. Whoa. Okay, it's pretty powerful over that. I kind of went crazy there. Let me see what I can do about that. Experimenting with new makeup. Sometimes you don't always, you make mistakes and learn from what you're working with. So there's that. Okay, so now I'm going to, I got this, this highlighter and a lip gloss, lipstick, and liner in a set. So I am going to use the highlighter stick, and then I've got 2 highlighter palettes, because I got let's see. Okay, so from Charlotte Tilbury, I made a purchase here, which I'll get to all the items, but I I got a free highlighter palette with my purchase. So that's the only way I can afford to do these things with Charlotte Tilbury. It's just an expensive brand. So when I can get something free or get a discount, I go for it. So that's kind of what I did here. Let's try this first. Okay, I'm gonna... close that up. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to touch this up with, I've got this highlighter palette, so I'll try this. I'm going to put it, try the other one, see which one I want to use. There's this one. One's a little more pink. Maybe I'll mix them. That sounds good, right? Okay. Highlighter. Okay, so what do we have after highlighter? It looks like we're gonna go to the eyes. And I do have a little bit of a base on my eyes already. So I am going to get to, I have two things for eyes. One I bought is the Eye Enhancer Beauty Secrets Kit. This is eye pencil, and I saw people get these in the Beautylish box, and I like wanted them. So I ended up picking these up. Let's see. One is like a brown, kind of a dark brown, and the other one is probably Pillow Talk. Let's see here. Okay, so it is definitely a lighter. Kind of like that. I wonder if I might want to use that on my eyelid. We'll see. So the next thing I have in here is I got, this is a Exaggerated Eyes Beauty Secrets. This has an eyeliner and a palette. So here's the palette. Here's the eyeliner. So let's see what I haven't looked at this yet. So let's see what, okay. So it's just a neutral thing. So it looks like I'm going with neutral, but I think I might try. Now this is a whole new look for me, so I don't know how it's going to go. But I think I might try this on my eyelid and then do the other over it. So this is the Pillow Talk. Seems so nice. Okay. So there's that. And let's go with the eyeshadow palette here. Let's do, I think I'm going to do this one in the crease, this one to darken, and then I'll probably use some of the shimmer somewhere on the eyelid, maybe the lighter color to bring it all together. So let's go with this color, see what happens. Okay. Okay, I'm going to darken this. Okay, you like my Jeffree Star mirror? Cute, huh? Okay, so I think I'm just going to go with that on the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to take the eyeliner, and I don't even know what this is. One side's like a gel, excuse me, and the other one is, it's like a white. I might take this white and just go on the inner corners here and see what. Anything? Okay. Now let's take the gel side, and I'm just going to do a little bit on the corners. Okay, for mascara, I thought I was filming this, but I think it wasn't. So I did get in an earlier purchase. I got this, let's see, this is called Push Up Lashes. It's just a little sample. I think this is a base lash. And then I got the Pillow Talk mascara, just this a small size. So I'm going to use these. I already put on the base. So now I'm going to try the mascara itself. We'll see where we go from here. So, okay. Okay, so there's the mascara. I'm not so crazy about it. I have a lot of favorite mascaras, so I'm glad I just got a small one because that's probably not one I will go to. So I think this is about it. So I think I covered everything. So anyway, it was fun. Like all this, you know, these are just really fun products. I now have Charlotte Tilbury. So, and I really think these pencils are going to be fun on the eyes. I like them. I probably will wear them on an easy makeup day. Just wear these alone. And so that's not it because I got to put my lips on. So let's do the liner. Lipstick. And gloss. That's also good. It's kind of minty, and look at that. It has that cute little doe foot. Anyway. Okay, so there we go. See if we can pull the hair back down. All right. And so there's the Charlotte Tilbury look. Let me know what you think. It was just something I had to do to pick up some of these products, at least enough to do a face. So I did it, and I'm excited about it. So anyway, let me know what you think. Thanks for being here, and I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.